friends, in this video, we will talk about how to get information about bootcamp sessions, right? So I'll put my screen on screen share where we can get to know how we can access information about various bootcamps that is happening, the topics and the schedule. So as you can see on my screen, when you receive the hall ticket, you get this information about bootcamps. So all we have to do is just click on this link over here. It will open in a new tab, that particular link. And this is where you will get the calendar. You will get the calendar of what boot camps will happen when. Like for example, last week, in fact, a couple of days back, this is a session which happened. Next Wednesday, this is a session which will happen. You can click here. Also, you can click on this copy to my calendar through which you can get automatic reminders. So it happens every week on Wednesday. Timings, whatever the schedule is, just follow this calendar. Most of the time, we are doing on as per this schedule between 5 to 6 every Wednesday. But if in case it varies, you'll get to know through this calendar, right? Similarly, you can see in October, these are the sessions which are happening. And that's how different topics we keep on doing every week. How to log in? This is schedule, but how to join the class? All you have to do is just click on this link. Maybe just put your email ID over here. For example, I've logged in through one of the sessions, right? So this is where we will see the session details, right? This is the link which keeps on varying. So all you have to do is just click on this link and you'll be able to access the class, which will happen as per the schedule. Thank you so much.